basically ponytail Kez. It was middle part Kez in 2024 and now 2025 ponytail Kez. So with that being said, I have a ponytail wig to talk about and install today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, ISEE Hair. We love ISEE Hair. If you want a good wig every single time, head over to ISEE Hair. They have beautiful top tier, really gorgeous wigs. I'm going to show you all the tricks and tips to really make your wig look melted and look like it's giving scalp. So before we get to that, let's talk about what I have installed. Today what I have installed is the ISEE Hair Invisi Drawstring 360-degree water wave texture. It comes with pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots, pre-cut lace. It is ready to wear fresh out of the box, 100% glueless as well. We've done this type of wig a lot on my channel. It seems like I can't avoid it at this point. It's part of the princess collection, so you know it's gonna be fire. First things first, I did spray some lace tint on the lace, and I'm gonna roll the top portion out. Yes, ISEE Hair. I'm noticing that their 360 wig fits incredible. Making sure that our string is available for me when I need it. And again, the same thing, the string has to be available when I need it. The ear part's gonna be flapping up. So yeah, can you wear it gluelessly? I wouldn't recommend it, but you can technically. The hairline is looking a little full. Okay, well, we're gonna try to remove any of the remaining makeup around the hairline. I am gonna go in with my sticky little secret lace glue. What I'm going to do is just put it on a piece of notepad. Just the amount that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to start off with like the perimeter where I know the wig is going to be laid. Thin sections. And as soon as that part dries, then I'm gonna stick the wig down. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Like right there, I don't know if you guys notice the difference, but that's what we want, honey. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. With the plucking, I'm just plucking like all down that one line to create like a part, and then that's gonna thin it out. You see how it's like really blunt? You want to pluck in lines all the way down if it's already on your head. So once you see a part created, then you can move on to your next spot. And then I'm gonna go in and pluck in here. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must have known me. And also like to remove some of the hairs right around the front here. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down. Do we see the difference that makes, y'all? Yeah, definitely cut this piece too short. Ugh, that's kind of annoying. Ta-da! We're gonna take our string. Got me feeling blue, something but you so see-through. Yes, y'all, get into it. Get into it. Just stay right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like Can I do you like I love big puffy curls, so for me this is beautiful. This is the first style. Okay, as cute as this style is, we need to put it up. We are working our way up to the ponytail. I'm gonna go with some styling mousse. This is really where your plucking that you did earlier is going to come in handy, because you're going to be able to see how realistic that hairline is going to look. Make sure it's nice and high. This is cute. This is another style. Now that we have our ponytail formed, now we're going to take the hair, and there's quite a bit of hair in this ponytail, so being mindful of that, I'm brushing everything up into the direction of where I want my bun. I'm going to spray her down. Second chances, empty hand. And I promise you, this is necessary. If you do it the other way, like if you take that other ponytail down, you're not going to be able to get the ponytail as high as you might like it. Just take it and twist. I like to tuck any of the remaining lace that is showing under. Okay, and there we have it. The back looks like. This is the final look. Of course, we had to end it off with the ponytail bun life. It looks so cute. I would definitely recommend, if you're gonna get this wig, do some plucking or get someone who knows how to do some plucking, because it is gonna make a big difference with the like realistic factor when you're pushing the hair back. Overall, it's a beautiful wig, 10 out of 10. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Definitely recommend you guys checking it out. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you if you want to purchase it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.